In today's video, I will walk you through how to ask ChatGPT for quotes and studies. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. One of the most useful things you can do with ChatGPT is ask it to find quotes and summarize scientific studies in a simple and easy-to-understand format. This can save a lot of time when you need quick information, but do not want to spend a long time reading through articles, research papers, or search results yourself. A good way to get better answers is by being very specific with your request. Instead of asking something broad, try writing a detailed prompt. For example, you could type, "Find 3 scientific studies on how to get smarter and summarize each study finding." After you send the prompt, ChatGPT will usually respond with the names of studies, along with short summaries explaining the main findings. This makes research much easier to understand because the information is presented in a conversational format instead of complicated academic language. This works especially well for topics related to health, productivity, learning, fitness, business, and many other subjects. If you are researching something quickly, this can feel like having a fast research assistant helping organize information for you. At the same time, it is important to verify the studies yourself. ChatGPT can sometimes mix up details or accidentally combine information from different sources. If you are using the information for something important, like work, school, or medical decisions, make sure the studies actually exist and that the findings are accurate. A helpful way to think about ChatGPT is as a tool that helps speed up research rather than a perfect source of truth. Besides scientific studies, ChatGPT is also very useful for finding quotes. You can ask for quotes on almost any topic. For example, you could type, "Give me 3 quotes about health," and ChatGPT will generate several well-known quotes related to motivation and achievement. You can also make your prompts more specific depending on what you need. Maybe you want quotes from a certain public figure or quotes connected to a certain topic. In that case, you could ask for the 3 most famous quotes from that person, and ChatGPT will organize them in a clean and readable format. One reason this works so well is because ChatGPT is very good at gathering information and presenting it in a way that feels natural to read. Instead of forcing you to scroll through multiple search results, it turns the information into a clear conversation that is easier to follow. So whether you are looking for research summaries, motivational quotes, or quick educational information, this is one of the most practical and time-saving ways to use ChatGPT effectively.